Olivia, what's so funny about the word oops? Oops. 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 You guys are so silly. Oops. 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 Why is that word so funny? Oops.
Because
You must be loopy.
Because
Oops.
why is
Not even doing a funny face. I'm not doing anything. All it is more. Can you say more?
oops.
Can you say more?
Oops.
Say more.
Oops.
More. Oh, okay, hold on. Can you say more?
Oops.
Just a second. I want her to try it. Olivia, can you say more?
Oops.
Stop. Hannah, can you, or Olivia, can you say more? Show me more. More. Can you show me more, please? No. Say more.
No.
Yeah. Hannah, can you show her more? More. More. Good job. Okay, more. Oops. More oops. More oops. Olivia, oops. Oops. You're so silly. Oops. Oh, no, we don't throw on the floor, please. Can you pick it up? Thank you. Can I have it? Good girl. Can you say more? Say more.
More?
Hannah says more.
More? More?
Can you say more?
More? More?
More silly?
No.
No? Are you done with silly?
Yes, silly.
What kind of silly? Oops.
Oops.
You want oops?
Oops.
Oops. Oops. Oops.
Every time you say oops, we laugh.
It's true. Why?
Because it's so silly.
It's so silly. It's just a silly word. Oops. Say supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
We don't have that word.
No? How about oops?
Oops.
Oops. Oh, you want this? Come here.
We are having so much fun.
Oh, that's a sad face. Say oops. 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 Neck. Oops. 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 You want more? More milk? Can you say more, please? That's not more. Can you say more? Look, Hannah's saying more. More?
More?
Can you say more?
More silly.
Good girl. More milk? Okay.
More silly.
We'll go get you some more milk.